Canadian wildfire smoke fills our skies for another day on an otherwise comfortable stretch of August weather. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Let's take a look at our wildfire smoke forecast. This is 7 a.m. and you see a good amount of orange and yellow over us. That's a moderate amount of wildfire smoke, helping to keep our otherwise fairly blue sky gray as we go into the day today. Now, as we go into the evening, we start to lessen the amount of smoke in the air. That being said, you should be able to catch a pretty vibrant sunset as we go into this evening. The good news is with this is we're not seeing a big reduction in air quality. According to the EPA, our air quality for today should be moderate, which is still fine for just about everybody here. We don't get into that unhealthy category until you get to places like Philadelphia and then into New England. Here's a look at our futurecast over the next couple of days. High pressure is large and in charge, and that's going to keep us dry as we go forward into the next couple of days here. Wednesday looks dry. We go into our Thursday. It should be dry as well. Any of these light greens that you see, that's really just some fog that our futurecast is showing up here. I do believe we are dry all the way through the rest of the week for the Jersey Shore counties. Will be different when you get out to Philadelphia, showers possible on Thursday, but we should be dry for the shore counties for the rest of the week, and that means plenty of time to enjoy this month of August. Here's a look at our Tuesday morning numbers here, rising through the 70s pretty quickly. Once we get towards 9 a.m. inland, over at the shore, we'll stay steady in the mid-70s. We do have a mostly cloudy sky as we go into the day today, and then we have some of that wildfire smoke on top of that. So it's a pretty gray day for us. Temperatures will be a little bit below average. We go into tonight. We should bottom out on either side of 70, and then we don't really raise all that much on Wednesday because we have a mostly cloudy sky and because winds are coming from the northeast. Now, we take a look at our late week setup. We have high pressure in New England, eastern New England, and we have either Tropical Storm Dexter or what was Tropical Storm Dexter well out to sea. Doesn't matter. Both of these combined will bring us a wind out of the east-northeast, continuing pretty much what we'll see today. And after days of winds from the onshore direction, we should get some coastal flooding, but with high pressure really the dominant player here, we should be warm, not hot, and we should be on the lower end when it comes to humidity. But again, minor stage coastal flooding is likely during the high tides on Friday and Saturday. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. Temperatures hovering around 80 all the way through the rest of the week. Wildfire smoke will gray up our sky on Tuesday and Wednesday. Mostly sunny on Thursday. We should get rid of that wildfire smoke by then. Friday, plenty of sunshine. And then this weekend is looking fantastic. We need another A in our shore summer weekend weather report card to at least give us the possibility of this not being the worst summer when it comes to our weekend weather. Looks like we'll have just that for the weekend, and we should be continuing to stay dry even into early next week. Make sure to come to the Down Beach Hurricane Seminar Wednesday evening, 6 to 9 p.m. at Ski Beach in Ventnor as part of the Ventnor Concert Series. We have representatives from Longport, Margate, and Ventnor there to talk all about how you can be safe this hurricane season. South Jersey weather legend Jim Eberwine and I will be there to give you the forecast for the rest of the season. I'll see you there in Ventnor on Wednesday night.